Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Kashmir Food Fusion. Click on the subscribe button here to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to remain updated. Today we are going to show you how to make Kashmiri Pulao at home. This is the same pulao that's served in the Wazwaan. The ingredients used here in this pulao are a cup of zira. Then we need salt and sugar. We also need ground spices like green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves. We need 1 kg of basmati rice. Then we need cinnamon sticks. We also need a large cup of desi ghee. And here I have used mutton stock. You can take out the stock of the mutton without adding turmeric or anything into it. Plain stock, mutton stock. So now let's start. First of all, in a thick bottomed vessel, add the mutton stock and into it add the ground spices. Now we have to bring them to boil. I've added the zira into it. Now I'll wait until the stock boils. You can use plain water as well, but that will not give so much of taste. So you can see that it's boiling and it has reduced to 3/4 of its size. Now at this stage I will add the sugar and the salt into it. We added the sugar because the Kashmiri pulao that is served in the Wazwan is not spicy. It's kind of sweet. So we've added the sugar. We don't need red chili powder or any kind of chilies here. Like I said, the Kashmiri pulao served during the Wazwan is kind of sweet. And now after straining the stock of this ground spices and the mutton, you can see that it has become darker in color. If you want a darker color, you can add saffron into it. I haven't added saffron. And now at this stage, I have added the basmati after washing it. You should note that this is not soaked basmati. This is plain washed basmati. So after adding it into this stock, I will give it a good mix. Make sure that it is equally spread. And now we will cover the lid and wait for it to boil. You can see that the water has reduced and the basmati, the rice has become bigger, the granules of the rice. Now we have added the dry fruits, chopped dry fruits. All kinds of chopped dry fruits grow into this pulao. We've added chopped almonds, cashews, raisins, coconut. You can skip some if you don't like, but mostly all of these go into this pulao, Kashmiri pulao. So here you can see that I'm adding the ghee now. You can cook this rice in rice cooker as well if you don't want to cook it in a pan. But mostly we cook pulaus and biryanis in pan because they become good and tasty like this while they are cooked for a longer time on a burner. So after covering the lid, we've kept the burner on sim and we'll wait until it gets cooked. Now you can see that the granules of the rice basmati, they have become softer and they are cooked, and we have served it out in a bowl and garnish it with some more chopped dry fruits. Please try this recipe. This pulao is very different than what you usually eat. Thank you for watching this channel.